Hello, welcome back. Come on inside. Now I need to keep this door shut because I keep getting dive bombed by birds coming in. Yep, it's that time of year. Now it's been a hectic few days, but I'm glad to get back inside the cottage, although I do need to do some tidying up. But I paid one of my friends a visit and he gave me a few things and I'd just like to share them with you. Some I'm going to use upstairs, but I may have a change of, let's say, seating in here. Now you remember I bought this Park & Old little armchair, cleaned it all up, painted all nice. But then this kind of chucked a spanner in the works and I thought, you know what, maybe this isn't going to stay downstairs. The reason being, I've got some new footstools. They don't exactly go with this. Let me show you. It's these here. They're a lot more chunkier. They've got heraldic scenes with castles and chateaus and that kind of theme on them. They kind of double up footstools or, you know, little chairs. They might be better suited down here. And this chair here will probably go upstairs in like a recessed area for reading, or maybe in the bedroom. Did say you got to be flexible with these things, and yeah, these were handed over to me, no money at all, so I'm keen to use them. And I think they'll probably be better suited in this environment downstairs, where it's a little bit rustic and yeah, that kind of feel, if you know what I mean. Upstairs will be a little bit more refined. So I think that's probably better off upstairs. What do you think? The legs are a bit more chunky, you know, in keeping with the theme downstairs. This is a bit more refined and probably better off suited upstairs. So the search probably does continue for some seating down here. Maybe I will get my Chesterfield after all. Next we're going to head out into one of the barns. I've got some doors that were given to me as well, and I think they will go very nicely at the top of the stairs in that recess. Let's get some over and see what they look like. Lovely and sunny. Okay, let's get over to that barn. Yep, another trip to the tip shortly. So these doors here, solid oak, great quality. Yeah, look at them. Right, let's get those over. But first we need to make some space. Like I say, I had a very busy weekend doing the garden. And yeah, it's tidy up time. Used to be what we pulled ourselves up on the old staircase, but not anymore. I can go up and down the stairs with not even holding on. Much safer. There we go. So let's take a look at what we've got to work with. We've got two pairs of doors. Now these doors are solid oak. Yep, good quality. Lovely little scutchings on them, all original. Now where did these come from? Well, when my friend gave me the sideboard, these were the doors on the sideboard. The one that went in the chicken coop, yeah, the chicken chateau. So didn't put the doors on for obvious reasons, they were too good quality. And I thought I'd upcycle them in this area here. We can either go that way with them. We've got a variation in the size. So what I probably could do, not sure of the measurements yet, is maybe shift it over to this side. Think above it like that, but I don't think we've got enough headroom there. That's a shame. I was going to go 2 banks and then open shelving either side. We don't have to open doors and step back in this area, so I was keen to keep this like a cubby hole. All is not lost. Let's think this one through. I think this is going to take several coats of looking at till I come up with the best solution. Don't always get it right first time, but keep trying and I'll get there in the end with it. Okay. What's life without a challenge, eh? Well, I thought I had it, and then I thought, okay, we've also got to incorporate the handrail and the spindles coming from that mill post into this area down here. So that kind of limits me on how far over I can go that way. Now I could fix the left door so that you don't try and open it, just stand here and open that one. That could be a way around it. Yeah, it's got to look like it's fit for purpose and not just used because I've got doors. But it is an awkward space that could be turned into some useful storage. It's not always easy, is it? And I'm certainly going to need some storage. It's not a vast area up here, but if I utilise all the space correctly, it doesn't feel claustrophobic, flows nicely, it can work. So it does take thought, it definitely does. It's part of the process. Also got to have a tidy up of all of my stuff up here because I'm visiting another friend of mine later on in the week and he's got some stuff for me, so I'm going to bring it back up here and I'll need to make space for it. Got a busy week ahead. I think whilst I consider my options for those doors and the location, I'm going to have a tidy up here. I'll get all of my antique and copper pieces over in that quarter, all my tools over in that quarter there. Clear workspace around the stairs. We'll get the wood out of it. Anything that shouldn't really be up here now, out. And the stuff that's got to stay in here because it's the only dry storage I've got really, organised and tidied up. Okay, let's start by getting this wood out. Now I've got some nice safe stairs to go up and down. Let's get this place tidied up. I'm also on the lookout for some hinges. Yeah. Some here. Yeah. These could work. Find a few more of them. Yep, you guessed it. Moustache hinges. Highly valuable and collectible. Got some lovely old locks. Yeah, I think I'll put all the hardware together that's going to be used. Yeah, it's just a case of organisation. Sometimes you've got to stop and get organised, haven't you? Some paint there. It's not until I'm 100% satisfied that the scraps or the pieces that I've kept can't be used, then yeah, I have to go to the déchetterie, where I'm sure it gets chipped up and used in biomass heaters. Certainly don't think it goes to landfill anymore, which is a great thing. Now, some of the untreated offcuts I'll use in my fire, like the treated stuff. Oh, that's going away. We're certainly making some progress. Still a way to go, but you've got to start somewhere. For all those that want to say how messy it is, I'll save you time, don't worry, I already know. Believe it or not, I'll get through quite a few of these tripods. After all, it is a building site. It's getting rather warm, but we've got another storm coming. Well, that is it for this video. Join me next time. Hopefully I'll have sorted out those stairs. A tricky one indeed. See you next time. Bye for now.